So, welcome. Let's do another unboxing. I wanted some more Phalaenopsis Buddha's treasure, but the nursery I wanted to order from didn't have any left. So I had no other choice than to order at Northern Europe's biggest orchid supermarket that don't sell top quality orchids, and in my eyes they also overcharge on shipping. But so be it. To make it worth a while, I ordered a few orchids more. So let's unpack and see what I chose. All out of the box, so let's look at the plants individually. First, a Neofinetia hybrid. I know it's called Vanda now, but for me it's still Neofinetia. This one actually is a registered cross named Renanetia Heiko Greffier. It's Renanthera vietnamensis crossed with Neofinetia falcata pink. I don't know why they call it pink, because the variety they use is called Schuteno. The plant looks good, but it seems like it's just thrown in a pot and put in some large bark. I need to check it out quickly. And another Neofinetia hybrid. Renanetia Sunrise is a cross of Renanthera monachica and Neofinetia falcata. It was listed as 12 months from flowering, but this is just a large seedling, so it may take 2 to 3 years before it will actually flower. It was sent to me bare root. Laelia lundii coerulea. This one was listed as 12 months from flowering, and they may be right. What I don't like is that terracotta mound and the dry, rotten, stinking sphagnum moss underneath the plant. So another one that needs immediate care. To Dendrobium wenzelii. These plants look nice, and I hope the roots are still intact. They need to be kept moist at all times. A young Dendrobium victoria-reginae, and this should be a selected form from Japan. I saw this one in an unboxing video, I think from Karin's Orchids, so I thought, why not? And it looks like a good and sturdy plant, but as often it's growing in bad sphagnum moss. Two seedlings of Cymbidium ensifolium green Fulong. Plants look good and again potted up in sphagnum moss. Now this is certainly not the green Fulong, because that one has variegated leaves and they didn't show a picture on their webshop. So we'll see in 2 to 3 years when they possibly bloom and if they make it. This one should be an addition to the Paphiopedilum collection. Again, this is a freshly potted up plant and one of the bottom leaves is dying off. So it needs to be taken out of that pot to see if there's something wrong with the roots or what is going on. It could have been kept too dry. Well, we just have to hope. Their Phalaenopsis usually look good because they are all imported from Asia, coming in those crappy plastic pots and growing in sphagnum moss. This one certainly looks like a good plant with a nice root system and a flower spike. and another Phalaenopsis, or better, Doritenopsis Chiang Sapphire, a cross between Doritis and Phalaenopsis. But now they both have been put in the genus Phalaenopsis. Again a nice plant, a lot of good roots, unfortunately in soaking wet sphagnum moss and with the spike again. And last but not least, 3 Phalaenopsis Buddha's treasure. The first one looks like a very nice and healthy plant, lots of roots, but it needs to come out of that stinking, rotting moss as soon as possible. The plant must have been in that pot for a very long time. The second plant doesn't look that bad either, but again, still in rotting moss. And lastly, plant number 3, that isn't looking that well. Leaves are yellowing, so dying off. The moss it grows in isn't even dark green anymore, it's starting to turn black. So how long has the plant been in that acidic media? I really need to attend to these plants quickly. Now this order came in approximately 10 days ago. And due to some health issues, I slowly have been taking care of these plants, filming it, and I will be uploading these videos soon, but I will mix them up with some others so it won't get boring. Thanks for visiting my channel again and hope to see you soon.